Welcome to this concise tutorial on using the WordPress group block. In this guide you will learn how to navigate through WordPress to create and manage groups of blocks on your website. The process is simple and can be completed in a few easy to follow steps. Begin by accessing the WordPress website in your web browser. Once the page loads, direct your attention towards the top right section where you will see the login option. Clicking on this will initiate the sign-in process to get you started. If you already have an account, this is the perfect moment to log in and continue with the setup. After clicking login, the next step is to choose the option that says continue with Google. This lets you sign in quickly by merging your existing Google account with WordPress. Simply select the appropriate account from the list when prompted and you will soon be signed in. This method is particularly efficient because it eliminates the need to remember separate login credentials, streamlining your workflow. With your account authenticated, you will be taken to the main dashboard. Locate the quick link section where there is an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site opens up the site editor, which is designed to provide a user-friendly interface for customizing your website layout. The modern design of the editor ensures that you can see the results of your changes immediately, making it a valuable tool for hands-on website design. Now that you are within the site editor, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find an icon that looks like a plus symbol. This icon represents the option to add new blocks to your page. Clicking the plus icon will open a menu where you can search for and insert different types of blocks into your layout. In the search field that appears, type the word group. As you start typing, WordPress will filter the available blocks and display the group block option. Once the group block appears, click on it to add it to your page. The group block is particularly useful when you want to organize several related blocks together and manage them as one single unit. This can help in creating visually appealing sections that maintain consistent styling and organization. After successfully adding the group block, you will be prompted to choose the type of group and the number of columns you wish to use. This configuration allows you to tailor the layout to best fit your content and design needs. Experiment with different column arrangements to see which layout works best for the intended content structure. Finally, within the group block, you have the option to click on the plus icon once more to add additional blocks inside the group. These nested blocks can include images, text, embeds, or any other elements supported by WordPress. This layered approach is vital for creating complex yet organized sections on your website that are easy to update and manage. By following these clear steps, you can efficiently utilize the group block to enhance the structure and appearance of your WordPress pages. This method fosters creativity and offers endless flexibility, ensuring your website remains dynamic and engaging for your audience. Enjoy exploring and customizing your layouts with this powerful tool provided by WordPress.